Meet GoldLetter, the future of embossing machines. Fully automatic gold embossing and complex deep embossing without the need for an engraving plate. GoldLetter is an advanced machine which embosses letters on most types of materials. Embossing is computerized with no need to arrange letters or an engraving plate, creating great savings in time and work. Thanks to purpose-built, simple-to-use editing software, it's easy to edit and create full mock-ups of the embossing. GoldLetter has been designed to adapt to a wide variety of finished products of different thicknesses, all types of book bindings, leather, PU, artificial leather, and all other binding materials, fashion and accessories of all kinds, designer bags, wallets, personal dedications embossed on boxes, packages, wooden gifts, and more. Our machine performs embossing using wheels that interchange easily, with each wheel holding 140 characters of your choice. This eliminates the need to arrange letters or use double letters. All embossing comprises 3 parameters: pressure or depth of embossing, time of impression, and temperature, so that you can achieve the perfect results. GoldLetter. The future of embossing is already here.